Dad. Some are thin and some are fat. The fat one has a yellow hat. From there to here, from here to there. Funny things are everywhere. Here are some who like to run. They run for fun in the hot, hot sun. Oh my, me, oh my, oh me, oh my. What a lot of funny things going by. Some have 2 feet and some have 4. Some have 6 feet and some have more. Where do they come from? I can't say, but I
Yes, but I bet they have
some come a long, long way. We see them come, we see them go. Some are fast and some are slow. Some are high and some are low.